Hello friends, welcome to this channel, Center of Excellence Pharma 4. Objective of this channel is to discuss about various technologies which are getting evolved during last couple of years, like cloud, artificial intelligence, machine learning, industrial internet of things, robotics, blockchain, chatbot, and many more. How these technologies are useful, how they can be applied to improve our business processes and our productivity, profitability goes on improving. How we want to achieve excellence, how it can help in operational excellence, business excellence, and finally to the supply chain excellence. So my topic in this particular video is achieving the supply chain excellence. So let's look at the next slide. So I just mentioned about 6 steps over here, which can really drive the supply chain excellence. The first and most important is to focus on the supply chain metrics that matter the cross functionalities. As you know, supply chain is integrating from demand planning, supply planning to operational planning, integrating everything. So these are various cross functions, and every cross function has got its own challenges, its own what I call it is the KPI, key performance indicators, and all that. But they need to get integrated and all that. So those metrics are to be thought about it. Once you are clear about those metrics which you want to consider at each and every business process, you have to educate the team members, operational as well as financial, to design the benchmarks what you want to achieve. Just to give you a small example, like you want to say, okay, my forecast accuracy should be minimum 90%. If today it is only 70%, you go on planning for the higher production and then you invest all those resources, procuring the material, manufacturing those products, and then storing it and all that. You block money into your inventory. So your benchmark also should be really considered, starting from forecast to your planning, to accuracies, to procurements, to your inventory norms, and many more places actually. So this is what is the most important thing. And this you should educate not only to your financial team, but all team members, all stakeholders and all that. And then you have to really start thinking where you want to invest your resources. The resources are also like your marketing, your machines, your manpower, your material, all are resources, not just the money. So these various resources, you have to think about it, where you will put the money into the technologies also. Because finally today, everything is being driven by the technology. So adopting the right technology to the right problem will help you to achieve the right results. So these are the various things are there. Considering this, you have to think about designing the supply chain and think about the risk factors. Couple of minutes back, I mentioned about the risk factor about the forecast. Forecast is also a risk factor. I mentioned it over there, you will be investing more money and blocking your resources. Similarly, the risk is there into other areas also. It may be there into adoption of the technologies also. Right selection of the technology. Like every technology has got its own strengths, but has got its own limitations also. Like Cloud can compile the data, but it cannot analyze the data. Artificial intelligence can analyze the data, but if the real-time data is not available, it's of no use. The real-time data can only come from the IoTs or industrial Internet of Things. So everything has got its own strengths and challenges. So you have to think about all those risk factors depending upon your product priorities and technology consideration. So you define a strategy for the center of excellence considering your supply chain and all. And finally, most important thing, as I mentioned in the beginning also, is the manpower. Finally, it's your people, your staff, your skills, they are going to drive this whole system. So challenges is people, processes, and technology. They have to really work together to achieve the excellence. So I thought as a strategy level, I wanted to discuss 6 key important factors to achieve the excellence. Hope you must have got a feel of it. If you need more discussion, do contact us. Our domain technology teams will definitely help you. Our contact details are shown over here. We have a YouTube channel where more than 140 videos are there. Please look at them also. Share with your teams. Thank you. Bye.